Today I'm gonna solve Leetcode problem, construct binary tree from Inorder and Postorder Traversal. It's a medium level question. The problem is given Inorder and Postorder Traversal of tree, construct the binary tree. In Inorder Traversal, we traverse the tree from left, root, and right. And in Postorder Traversal, we have left, right, and root. Let's look at the given example. We are given the Inorder and Postorder traversal, and the output is constructed binary tree. Looking at the Postorder array, we see that 3 is the rightmost element, so we can tell that 3 is the root of the element because we travel from left, right, and root. So root has to be at the end. Since Inorder traversal goes left, root, right, we can tell by looking at the Inorder array that everything left of 3 should be in the left subtree and rest in the right subtree. So here is the output binary tree that we are supposed to construct, and we can see that 9 is in the left subtree and 15, 20, and 7 in right subtree. So we will apply the same process repetitively. We will again check the post order list and see that among 15, 20, and 7, 20 is the rightmost element after 3. So that it will be the root of the right subtree. And then looking at the Inorder array, we can tell that 15 will be in the left subtree and 7 will be in the right subtree. So now let's start coding. Let's first initialize variables to define start and end of both the arrays. So we have here in start and in end, which is the start and end of the in order list, and post start and post end, which is the start and end of the post order list. We will define a function build tree which take these variables as parameters and return the root of the tree after constructing the tree. Let's first handle the edge cases. If in start is greater than in end or post start is greater than post end, we will just return null because that would be an invalid condition. We will be constructing our tree through recursion, so whatever parameters we pass to the build tree function, we will know that the rightmost value of post order, that is post end, would be the root of the subtree that we are currently running recursion on. Therefore, we will assign a new node as root with that value. Now, after we have assigned 3 as the root of the tree, now we want to find the position of the root in the Inorder array. And the numbers in the right part would be in the right subtree, and the numbers in the left part would be in the left subtree. I have defined an integer k, and I will iterate through the Inorder list, and whenever the value of the current element is equal to the root element, we will break. So that is the position of the root of the tree in the Inorder array. Now we will build the right and the left subtree. Now this part here is because we need to subtract those numbers that are not part of the subtree. Let me explain the calculation for this part. Let's look at the figure. Is the right subtree, so k plus 1 would be start and n would just be in end because we have k equal to 3. But for post order, we need this part, so we need to subtract the remaining part, that is the initial numbers, that is 9 in this case. which would obviously be k minus instart, because this is the left subtree here. So we need to count the total number of elements in the left subtree from in order. So we need to subtract the remaining part, which would be k minus instart. So our postart will start from postart plus that part, and we need to subtract 1 from the post end because that was the root element. This calculation is not difficult, it's just simple math, but let me know in the comments if you want me to explain it in more details. And finally, after building the left and the right subtree, we return the root. Submission is successful, passing all test cases. That's it for this video. Thank you.